Hey guys, this is Dan with Gears and Gadgets. Thanks for tuning in. Today, I am proud to announce a new sponsor to the channel, which is Ciro 3D. In my opinion, LED lighting on a motorcycle is one of the most important things you can do as far as safety is concerned. Now, what it boils down to is one of the most frequent accidents on a motorcycle is a car turning out in front of you. And it's not because they're not necessarily paying attention for motorcycles or careless, so much as it is that they don't really know, or the brain plays games with perception. So when they see one light appears to be a car further away. The idea, and part of why I went with my Heritage, specifically when I was shopping for motorcycles, was the headlight is an LED and then it has the two passing lamps off to the side, which increases the visibility. And then obviously the turn signals was a big part of that as well. So of course, naturally with the LEDs, you do get a much brighter output as far as light goes compared to the OEM. And the one thing that I do like about these Ciro LEDs is that, and what you can see here is that the beam is actually focused with these Ciros with some lenses. So it really helps direct the light and again, just helps put that light where it needs to be. And I don't have one of those fancy Maxwell cameras, so I have to refocus every time I reframe my shot. So being that that beam is focused as it is, this is just a very good engineered design from Ciro, where it's not just throwing light out kind of in whatever direction that it might go. They've actually put some thought process into which directions you can see that from, and off axis, it is not blinding anybody down the road. I do like the angled design that they have on there. Just kind of gives it a little bit more of like a finished look. And then the black painted surface just matches the bike, matches it perfectly actually. So I am a huge fan of these LEDs. I think they look absolutely stunning. So I could talk about these Ciro 3D Fang turn signals till I'm blue in the face, but if you're here and you're interested in upgrading to LED turn signals, you want to see what these things look like running down the road. So I'm going to jump into a montage here of installing, running during the day and running during the night, so you can see what these things are all about. So I hope that I've answered all of your questions and helped provide information. That's what I'm here for with a lot of these sponsored videos, is I just like to provide more content for somebody who's in the market for product and really wants to know more about it, and give you a little more, I guess, interaction with that product. That's what I love to do. So with that being said, thank you very much for tuning in. If this is your first time tuning in, please hit that subscribe button down below. Remember, likes go a long way to help support the channel, and I will see you guys next time.